लिखी हुई सीटें नहीं है उसके पास, तो फिर वो नेक्स्ट राउंड के लिए अप्लाई
Good
करेगा।
evening, sir.
Good evening,
Next
sir.
round में जाओगे।
Sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Nice to see everyone's video is on today.
Good evening, sir.
Can continue your discussions. Something interesting, I think you all are discussing, which I missed. Did I?
No, sir, we weren't discussing anything.
Okay.
Sir, follow me.
No, in my other batch, all the girls are actually silent because whenever I enter, we discuss initially cricket. So they don't understand much. The World Cup is going on. So yeah. Yeah. Hey, hi. Wait, let me rename the early. Just wait for 1-2 more minutes. Even who is left, Khanak is on travel.
Sir, today what we will be doing in our session.
It's CFLCM, a topic that Sharanya likes very much actually. LCM especially, is it? Today our next class, it is all word problems on LCM. Terrific word problems on LCM. And logical reasoning is there today that I did not do last class. Direction sense. You all got in test, exact questions, but I could not do actually last class. Yeah.
Sir, I have still 3 topic tests left out of the plain number.
Good. Those you will find tough. Arnav also I think is left. Yeah.
Sir,
Sir, I have taken all. Sir, you didn't check the other assignments I have done that I have uploaded like for
Previous one we did not check. Latest one we checked.
Oh,
Anyhow.
sir, the whole numbers and numbers.
They're the previous ones. The latest one playing with numbers have been already checked.
Sir,
I also saw playing with numbers. You wrote doubt also. I saw it. You could not do those questions. Even I think Ayush also got it wrong. Those two were gem of questions in assignment.
So which one?
Yeah.
So which one?
I think playing
Question
with
6 and
numbers.
question.
Playing
Question
with
6 and
numbers.
7. Sir,
Yeah,
the
question 6
XO
and
is
7.
red.
Sir,
Yes. You
Sir, I
also
got-
got it now.
Sir, I sent you the question. Actually, I have written one answer, but in the logic, it is telling other numbers, but it is not divisible. So that is why.
Check. Which assignment? Playing with numbers, subjective one.
The last test. Exactly.
Uh-huh.
Last, sir, in the topic of playing with numbers, there are only one assignment uploaded.
Yes, second assignment will be uploaded this week. That is even more tougher. If that was tough, this is coming one is.
Playing with numbers, that another assignment will be given.
Yes, because this is the deadliest topic. You will understand slowly in this topic.
Number science, I think, is the easiest topic.
Sir,
Yeah, playing
I
with
would able to do it.
assignment. It was my first subjective assignment of playing with numbers, part 1, and I got 16 out of 20.
that's good. Actually, I think yours was the highest one because that was good one. Next week will be a more better one. Okay. Chalo. See, till now we have been doing it safe in LCM.
There was a question that we haven't learned, that additive involves an identity element in one topic.
We did it in previous chapters, whole numbers and number sense. Additive inverse is nothing. If 2 is the number, minus 2 is the additive inverse. Any number that you add and makes it 0.
Sir, tomorrow on Saturday, will you upload a topic test
Yes, I'll be uploading it.
and assignment?
And an assignment. There will be 2 topic tests and assignment, and all the topic tests are having brilliant questions. Super brilliant questions there.
That's why I am facing 2 difficulty. And
Yeah,
sir,
it will be having super brilliant. You will admire those questions, I'm telling you. There is a question in which some ink has fallen, some numbers have gone erased, then he memorized some numbers, came in memory, something gaming questions are there. So they are one of the best questions. Chalo. Okay, let's start. Okay. Just Yeah. So till now we have been doing, yeah, Dharmi, tell me. Okay.
Sir, by mistake it was.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So till now we have been doing HCF and LCM. Now, what is the use of HCF and LCM? This year we will be doing only one theorem. There are 11 theorems of HCF and LCM to be. Okay. So this year we will be doing only one theorem. Next year we will be doing the remaining 7, 8 theorem. HCF LCM goes till standard 11, 6 more years. So it's that big topic. Yeah. Okay. So what is the algebraic meaning? Whenever I found HCF, I will tell very simple numbers, right? So that you can understand what is the algebraic meaning of first HCF and LCM. Like for example, when we found HCF and LCM of 20 and 12, 20 we wrote 2 square into 3. Sorry, 12 we wrote 2 square into 3. 20 is 4 into 5, 2 square into 5. We told the LCM will be 2 square into 5 into 3. That is 15 4s are 60, and my HCF was, what was the common between them? That is 2 square, that is 4. This is how we found LCM and HCF. Finding is not a big deal, but using it is a big deal. Right? What is the meaning? If there are two numbers, N1 and N2, right? The meaning of HCF and LCM is, if I take this number HCF, HCF is the largest number that is able to divide 12 and 20. That means if I want to divide 12 and 20 by a number, and I say H is the HCF, there cannot be any number that will exactly divide more, which is more than this. That means 4 is the largest. Sorry, 20, I should have written. Yeah. 4 is the largest number with which we are able to divide 12 and 20. Right? There is no other number that is there greater than 4. Try 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, none will work. This is the largest. And when I take LCM as 60, that means it is the smallest number that gets divided by this number, right? For example, take any number less than 60, 48, 50, whatever you try, it will not get exactly divided by both of them. 60 by 12 is 5 and 60 by 20 is 3. Any number below this will not be divided. Now, what is the algebraic meaning of it? If I have two numbers, N1 and N2, if I say the HCF is H, I can represent both the numbers as N1 is equal to HK1 and N2 is equal to HK2, where H is my HCF and K1 and K2 are co-prime. That is the basic algebraic definition of, had this K1 and K2 not been co-prime, H would not have been the HCF, because still I could get few more factors out of it, right? I cannot get any more factor which is making H as what you call my HCF, right? For example, in this number, if I break 12, I told my HCF is 4. Let's see if K1 and K2 are co-prime. 12 into 3, 20, 4 into 5. See, 3 and 5 are co-prime to each other. 3 or 5 are co-prime. So this is the basic rule. Not only in two numbers, even in three numbers, if I have, right, I am able to find the HCF. N1 is equal to HK1, H2 is equal to HK2, N3 is equal to HK3. In that case, if H is the HCF of all the three numbers, K1, K2, K3 will be mutually co-prime. That means K1, K2 might have some common factors. That's fine. There will be no common factors left between that is common to all K1, K2, K3. That's why we say in that case, K1, K2, K3 are mutually co-prime. They are mutually co-prime. Right? That's the basic algebraic meaning of HCF, is that the moment I get HCF, that means the number when it's divided by its HCF, all the numbers that are left remaining they are co-prime with each other. That's the basic fundamental concept of HCF, actually.
Sir, that means the number which we are multiplying, that those two should be a co-prime.
What?
Sir, the numbers which we are multiplying, like you gave just now, 4 into 3 or 4 into 5, if we take in that place any other number, if they're co-prime, that means we can say this is the algebraic meaning of HCF and LCM.
If I am able to write, if I have, I am asked a question, N1 is equal to dash into K1, N2 is equal to dash into K2. Okay, and it is given in the question K1, K2 is co-prime. Doesn't matter, it's a 1 lakh digit number also, whatever it is, N1, the dash will be nothing but HCF. It has to be, because that's the fundamental base of HCF. Because if there are two numbers, I'm able to split it in such a pattern such that K1, K2 are co-prime. The remaining product, this has to be HCF. This remaining dash has to be HCF. That is the meaning of HCF. This meaning is very important. This meaning is very important.
Sir,
Yeah.
it is very hard, and it is hard to remember also, sir. So
No,
can
it's
you
not remember, it's more of understanding. If I am telling N1, I am telling the HCF is K1, right? Why I am telling H is my HCF? The reason is because K1, K2 doesn't have any more factor that are common. Otherwise, I would have taken those factor common and put it inside this H, right? I would have put it, I cannot take any kind of factor further common. Right? That's why I got my H as HCF. Otherwise, H would not have been my HCF only.
So,
Right?
so every time in every number, in some number we can take. So the H would be the HCF only every time, or it can change.
It has to be, right? Any numbers. N1 is equal to HK1. N2 is equal to HK2. N3 is equal to HK3. Right? N4 is
Yes.
equal to HK5. Write that 1 lakh times. N10 is equal to HK10. Right? K1, K2, K3, K4, K10 all has to be mutually. There cannot be a single factor that will be common across all of these K1, K2, K3. That's the reason H will be the HCF of all these numbers. That's the basic logic of HCF actually.
How will we know that? What is like? How will we know that K1, K2, K3 is what number?
Like here K1, K2 is 3 and 5. I showed you, right? 3 and 5. That's the logic of HCF. That's the algebraic meaning of HCF, right?
Okay, sir. I understood of HCF, but now what? Let's see how would be how would it of LCM?
But I understand of HCF as of now. LCM I will explain next slide.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
So you wrote K1, K2, right, sir?
Yes.
What does that K stand for?
K1 is just number. K1, K2. Just ABCD also you can write. I just write K1, K2, K3 just like that.
Okay.
A, B, C, D you can also write. P, Q, R, S also you can write. These are just numbers like 3 and 5.
Okay.
With which the HCF is multiplied. That's all. I have to represent something, I wrote K1, K2 like that. Okay, now this is the algebraic meaning. But now comes the beautiful when to use HCF and LCM. Okay, right. So the beauty of the HCF and LCM is, suppose I have 3 jars. Right, three boxes I have, right? One box has orange, one box has mango, one box has lychee. Okay, it has, right? Suppose there are 12, 20, 32. Hopefully, yeah. 12, 20, 32. Now, suppose I have to, somebody comes and say that I want to pack this, I have a job to do. Okay, two ways the English statement can be told. Okay, one way is that somebody comes and tells, okay, I have a job to do in which I want to split the fruits into packets, small packets. Each packet should have equal number of single fruit, right? Equal number of single fruit. Equal number of single fruit. That means whatever the packet is, packet can have orange, packet can have mango, packet can have lychee, but I want equal number of single fruit in each packs. One way of saying what could be the maximum number of fruits in each pack, or second way of saying is that I want minimum number of packets. Both are actually same. Both are logically actually same. If he is able to stuff maximum number of fruits in each packet, then only my minimum number of packets will be there. Think of it. I am taking oranges, mangoes, and lychees. I am taking them, but yeah, each packet should have only one fruit in it, right? But if I put maximum possible number of fruit in each packet, I don't know how many packets, right? Whatever the number of packets, if I put the maximum number of fruits in each packet, then only by number of packets will get minimum. So what will be that number? That number will be nothing, because that number will be HCF of these three numbers. Highest number with which I am able to divide. So 12 was 2 square into 3. 20 was 2 square into 5. 32 is nothing, 2 to the power 5. So the HCF is 4. So each packet will have 4. So how many orange packet I will make? 12 divided by 4, I will make 3 packet. How many mango packet I will make? I will make 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5 mango packets. How many lychee packet I will make? 32 divided by 4, 8 lychee packets. What is the minimum number of packets? It is 5 plus 3, 8 plus 8. 16 will be the minimum number of packets. And what is the maximum number of fruits in each packet? That is 4. Because all packets has to have equal number of fruits of one kind. This is the type of cases where we use HCF, because that's what the logic demands.
So how it will be like if we can see for like 2 square into 3, 2 square into 5, and 2 to the power 5, then how we will know the HCF?
Last class only we told HCF we have to see which are the prime factors are common. The prime factors common between all the three numbers is 2. What is the lowest power of 2? It is 2 square. So it is 4. So my HCF is 4. But more understanding than the finding to any standard 3-4 guy can also do, right? But more than that, why I used HCF here, that is very important in the logic. Yeah. Because I cannot get a number greater than 4 that will divide exactly all the three numbers. That cannot be possible. This is the highest possible. If this is the highest possible number of a number that is dividing it, that means this is the number, highest possible number of fruits that I can stuff in each packet. सबसे ज्यादा अगर फल एक ही डब्बा में रहेगा, then only मेरा सबसे डब्बा सबसे कम होगा, right? Then only my number of packets will be least. If I stuff maximum number of fruits in each packet, right? Then only my number of packets will be least. So this is the theory behind, this is the way when we use HCF, right?
So if I was asking about that 32 is written like 2 power 5, no?
Huh?
Okay.
Yeah.
So thank
Okay. Now, when do I use LCM? Right. When do I use LCM? Let me take an easy example to use LCM, because I will not use some tough examples. Something related that you can understand. Right? What example? Circular ring race. This is a classical case of a LCM. Hopefully you all know what is circular ring race. Okay. Suppose there are 3 person. Okay. Assume this is a very big ring race. Okay. 3 person are there, A, B, C. Okay. No, in that case also, if I take that, you will not understand, because speed will come, speed, distance, time will come, which you don't know. Formulas of speed, distance, time. No, this will become a complex one. Wait, let me think of it. Because speed, distance, times, there are formulas. Okay, you know, great. Yeah, because I have to calculate the times, then you will not know time is distance is speed into time and all those things. Okay. Let me think. Let me take a very simple example. There are 3 lights. Okay, this is much easier. Don't worry, Gauri, that question will be there in test. I know that. That thing that you know, speed, distance, time, yeah. L1, L2, L3. The one is red light, one is blue light, one is green light. Suppose this blinks after 12 seconds. This blinks after 4 seconds. This brings after suppose 20 seconds. Okay. I say, yeah, right. All the formulas are right. Yes. Okay. So I ask you, when will all the lights blink together? When the lights.
Sir,
Let's,
first we'll find the HCF and it's 60.
answer is 60. I know. Yeah. Yes. What, Shania?
So, sir, you will first find the HCF for first.
No, here this is a
Sir,
question of
first
LCM.
is
This is a question of LCM. Why? Why am I asking you? Because I am asking, see, this is the easiest way. L1 when it will ring. Well, L1 lights after every 12 seconds. Okay. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. After 12 seconds, L1 is lighting. 24 seconds, L1 is lighting. 36 seconds, L1 is lighting. 48, L1 is lighting, right? 60, L1 is lighting. So this will light after how many seconds? Wait, how many seconds this light L2? Okay. This light L2 will light after how many seconds? It will light after 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, right? 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, right? L3 is the green light. It will light after how many seconds? 20, 40, 60. When will they light together again? See, it is the 60th, right? It is the 60th. How this magic happened? Because if you see, what is the meaning of LCM? 12 is, yeah, 12 is 4 into, if I see, 12 is 2 square into 3, right? And 4 is nothing but 2 square. 60 is what? 15 into 4, that is 3 into 5 into 2 square. That's what it is, right? Now, if I find the LCM will be what? 3 into 5 into 2 square will be my LCM, which is nothing, 4 into 15, that is 60. Because 60 is the lowest number that divides all of these, right? Because 60, and there has to be a time common. Kabir?
Sir, there should be 20 except 60.
Yeah.
Sir, you have to. Sir, you have done the prime factorization, but there should be 20 except 60.
Wait, again come back.
Sir, there should be 20 except 60.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Sorry, I was just, yeah, I have a mistake. Okay. 20 is 3 into 5 into 4, right? So 12 is 4 square, 2 square into 3, 4 is 2 square, 20 is, okay, 20, okay. 20 is 2 square into 5. Okay. I just wrote the LCM here instead of writing the factorization. Okay. I mistakenly wrote the LCM. Okay. So 20 is what? 2 square into 5, right? So what will be my LCM? The common factors are 3, 5, and 2. What is the powers, maximum powers of 3? 5, 3 is only having one power. 5 is having only one power. Okay. And 2's maximum power is 2 square. So my LCM is 60. Which means 60 is the lowest number that is getting divided by all, right? 60, because 60 is the lowest number. That's why we can see we are able to, only when we are able to reach 60, like this is growing in this time. 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 to 32, all 4 multiples. But until we reach 60, we are not reaching a common time. 60 is that 60. Suppose I said these are seconds, 12 seconds, 4 seconds, 24, 20th second. So after the 60 seconds is the common time when I see, okay, this will also blink, this will also blink, this will also blink.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, when you, for the 12, when you did 12, 24, 36, 48, and 60, how did you at the first place know that you had to stop on 60?
No, next I will know I will stop on 60 into 2, 120. Next I know I'll, because every multiple of 60, it will blink 60, 120, 180, because the LCM is
So,
60.
sir, how will we first know that we have to stop on 60?
Because that's the LCM, because then only, because that is the time. 60 is the LCM, because LCM is the number only that number can get. Only this is the smallest number, because I know, because before that I will not get any number. Did I get any number common? when they blink together? No, I did not. Because I know the LCM is 60. That is the definition of LCM. That is
You did.
Sir,
What you got 24.
the theory of LCM.
sir, uh, if uh, if I'm having a question that, sir, in L3 first, it is a solution, it is a fast fixer. Sir, if we count L3, the number is 20. So in which it should only come, sir? Are you here?
Yeah, I'm listening. Tell, I'm listening.
So, sir, there is 20. So 0 at last. 0 should be last at the number. So 20. Then we have to count 20 till 200. To 20 tenza means 200. Then count these L1 and L2. So, sir, we can easily find, right?
But the logic is why we are stopping at 60, because 60 is the minimum number, right? Which after 60 is the minimum number whose multiple will get repeated. That's why it is called LCM. 60, because I have to at the end, if all have to blink together, that number of seconds has to divide both, all the three, 60, that number, whatever that number, so no, it's not 60, it's X, whatever it is. It has to divide, it has to minimum, first of all, it has to divide 12. It has to divide, I wrote 4. It has to divide 20. Which is that number? Because by definition, the lowest number that divides all the three, that number is called LCM. That's why it is LCM. And now every multiple of LCM, yes, it will get divided. 60K, that means 60, 120, 180. This is where it will start getting, after every 60 seconds, all will start glowing together. Right? Got it?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay. Got it, right? Okay. Chalo, let's move on to the next. Let's see what's next. Yeah, this should be easy. Start with easy questions.
Sir, in this question, we need to find HCF or LCM.
I don't know. You have to think. That's the logic. That's the logic. That's why I actually finding LCM is the easiest thing. Thinking, it gets harder and harder, the thinking.
मैं एक काम करोगे ये क्या किया
practice questions.
Yes, Shania, practice question.
Sir, I don't know question.
Sir, is my first one correct?
Who is it? Laksh, right?
Yes, sir.
I did not get anything only, so how will I check? Did you send in WhatsApp or somewhere?
Sir, chat.
No, I did not receive anything.
Sir, yes, I send it.
I did not get it, but I am in front of the chat, so I did not get it.
Okay, sir, I am sending it once more.
Yeah, sending also. Yeah, yeah, I am getting Kabir's one I got. Ayush I got. Dharmi I got.
Sir,
Or-
mine is correct.
Yeah, now I got Laksh correct. Nehra correct. Yeah, now it came. Because I think you dropped in between Laksh when you said for the second day showing you dropped.
What, sir?
Your connection dropped for a second. That means when you sent, that was the time
Oh,
it dropped.
okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's why it did not come.
Sir, I've sent you in chat.
Yeah, Ashnik right. Anurag right.
Sir, I can't just understand second one.
Think. Yeah, Nehra, second one is right. Think. Yeah, Laksh right, second one.
Sir, I sent it to you.
Yeah, it is right. Next question is good, I can see. Yeah, right, Shania. Yeah. So let me show how to do it, right? Yeah, Ashnik, right. See what he's saying. The first thing is saying Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizers, right? One bag is having 75 kg. One bag is having 69 kg, right? Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. So that means I want to weigh what is the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. That means I want the maximum value that if I weigh, suppose this number is X, right? I want to maximize the number such that 75 by X, 69 by X. The question is asking, I want to weigh exact number of times. What is the maximum value that can weigh? Right? That's the basis of HCF. So that means I have to find the HCF of 75 and 69. So 75 is nothing, it is 15 into 5, right? So that is 25 into 3, 5 square into 3. And 69 is 23 into 3, right? So the max, what is the HCF? The only common factor among them that is common is 3. So 3 kg is the maximum. Try to divide. You will not get a single number in the world that is greater than 3 that will divide both these numbers. You will not find. That is the single maximum. 3 kg is the maximum weight that you can weigh, right? Equally both of them. Now the second question. In a morning walk, 3 persons are stepping off together. Okay, fine. Right? Suppose they are stepping off together. Right? This person, this person, this person. He walks 80 their steps. I think the tallest is 90. Okay, tallest is person is 90 centimeter each step, then is 85, then is 80. By the way, 80, 85, my goodness. These are also huge. I think elephant has such kind of step size. Because 90 centimeter is huge actually. I don't think so human being have 90 centimeter step size. Yeah. Because I think the regular scale is 15 centimeter. So 6 steps. Okay. Okay, 80, 85, 90. What it is saying, the steps are 80, 85, 90. What is the minimum distance each should walk so that all cover the same distance? Because this person, each step he is covering different. After second step, he covered 160. After third step, he covered 240. There will be some time when there will be some number X, right? Here, after 85, then in second step, he is covering 80, 160, 170. Like this, they're never equal. There will be certain number of steps, just like the light example I showed, certain number of steps, right? When they will all coincide together, that means, yes, the number of steps taken by him will be different to reach that number. Number of steps taken by this will be different because this person is taking 80 steps. So obviously this person has to take the maximum number of steps. This will take lowest number of steps. This will take some intermediate number of steps. But there will be a distance at which they will be common, reaching it common, right? When they will have a common number of minimum distance at which they should walk so that they cover the same distance. So there will be a same distance when exactly I can take integer number of steps for each of them. So what will be that? Right? That will be that will be LCM, right? So what is the LCM of 80, 85 and 90? 80 is what? 80 is your 16 5s are
Sir,
80.
for 80, sir, I know for 80, no, sir, the whole HCF, when we find the LCM, it will be 2 to the power of 4, 3 square, 2 to the power of 4 multiply 3 square, multiply 5, multiply 17.
Okay, let me see. 19 is 18 5s are 90. So no, 90 is 18 5s are 90. No. 18 5s are 90. Right? 18 5s are 90. And what was the last number? 85, right? 85 is 17 into 5. Right. So what is the price? I have to find the LCM. What are the prime numbers that are there that are common? 5. Maximum power of 5 is 1. 17. Maximum power of 17 is 1. Then is 2. Maximum power of 2 is 2. Sorry. Maximum power of 2 is 2 to the power 4. Right. Maximum power of 3 is 3 square. So this will be the LCM. Now you have to just multiply. 5, 17, 2 to the power 4 is what? 16. 3 square is 9. Just multiply, you will get the answer as 12,240. So that means 12,240 centimeter when they walk, that is the only time when 12,240 divided by 80, 12,240 divided by 85, and 12,240 divided by 90, all you get an integer. That is the minimum number of steps. Yes, multiple of this will obviously happening, 12,240. Multiple of this will obviously, but this is the minimum number, right? Just a minute. Yeah.
Sir, if we multiply 7,200 multiplied by 17, so the answer can't be that 1,22,400.
No, it is not 1 lakh, it is 12,240.
Okay, sir.
12,240. You have missed one multiplication. I think 7,000 something that you sent. I think that is half of this number or something that you sent. No, 14,600. Just check your calculation. It will. You understood why it has to be LCM, right? Same logic
Yes,
of.
sir. First we'll do prime factorization, then find LCM, and then we'll sir, as you told, like we
Yes,
have to
LCM
multiply.
finding is not a big deal, but why we are doing LCM here, not HCF, right?
Sir, because it's totally, we can understand that it is of LCM, not HCF, na?
Yes, that's what you have to understand. This is more of understanding, right? Because I have to divide something that gets divided, like for in HCF is the highest number that I have to divide with, and LCM is something that gets divided with. So that's what it is. Okay, chalo, let's move on to the next question.
So this must be questions I have never read in my life.
Yeah.
I have never did this much big question until now.
Okay.
Never ever.
Okay.
In Olympiad also not.
Yeah, it's okay. If these questions you will Olympiad SOF questions, you will start doing orally. Maximum charge.
Sir, what is the meaning of simultaneous?
Not simultaneously. That is English. Simultaneously means together in English. Simultaneously means together.
So after we have find the LCM of means HCF or LCM whatever. So
Think.
after we have how to find that it's a 7 at which time, how can we find that?
Think. You have to think. I will not tell. Think. Simultaneously means together in English.
Okay. So
Yeah, Mondal, correct. Ayush. Mondal, correct. Wait, I have what I'm considering.
I'm not able to understand the first one.
Yeah,
Sir, I'm not able to do the first one.
think. That's what the thinking. No, Anurag, not right. This is just the starting.
The second one is difficult.
This is not difficult. By the way, Kabir, both the questions are right, first and second. Yes. This is not a difficult. This is the easiest. So,
The second one.
these are the easiest. Slowly, difficult one. You will see the test. It has been given the test. Yeah, I should have right. Yeah, Nihira, right. No, Dharmi, not right. First of all, check your. You have got the. I know you got the LCM. Then think what you have to do with it.
Acha, हाँ sir. Okay. Now I understood.
Got it. Yes, you got the LCM right now. Okay, do it. Get the time. That's all you have to do. Uh, Pahal, think more. Then what to do with that thing? Not Pahal. It's Pahal or someone wrote. So what will you do with that LCM that you got? Second one is right. Yeah, Nihira, second one is right. Nah, no, timing is not wrong. He will not.
Sir,
Hmm.
is mine correct? I have sent the
Yeah,
answer.
no.
Sir, it's
That is seconds. The LCM that you got is in seconds, right? Yeah, Laksh, right.
yes, sir. What are you telling?
The LCM that you got was in seconds, right?
Yes.
So think now.
Sir, I don't need Sir, 12 minutes. Sir, I have means converted in minute.
I mean,
I have.
conversion is wrong. That's what.
Uh-huh.
Conversion is wrong. Second one, 1. No, not 1.
Sir, the first one is too hard. I can't understand properly. I have found out the LCM also, but now what I have to do, I cannot means do it. That's why. 16 multiplied by
So after you have to do something. Finding the LCM, that's what I told you.
It's too much. Um,
Arnab, you also found the LCM, right? Right. Check your conversion once.
Sir, is my answer correct?
No. Ashnik, you also check your you and I think Arnav did the same mistake. Ashnik and Arnav. Exactly. Check your seconds to minute conversion. No, Dharmi, not yet correct.
so how should I calculate it? I can't understand.
No. I saw Arnav what you sent me. No. How is it 2 seconds coming? Check your if you're dividing right. What is the remainder? Check once. What is the remainder? Check your remainder. Is it 2 or something else? Paul, what did you write? Add that to that time, na? Add that to that time. Add that to 7 a.m. You have to add it also, right? So what will be the time?
Sir, now um,
Wait, I will tell you. Okay. Chalo, now I will tell you solution. Okay. So that it was very similar. Aha, now it is right. Yeah. So it is saying that very similar to the 3 lights that I showed, right? Only change something little bit. L1, L2, L3. They were like just like 3 lights. I have to find when they will blink together. Same thing, traffic lights, right? This was 48. This was 72. This was 108. Right? Wait, send something. Yes.
Sir, I sent the correct answer of 1.
Yeah, wait a minute. Yeah, Ashnik, right.
sir, is my correct?
No, not correct. Yeah. So 48, 72, 108. First, I have to find the LCM. So 48 is 16, 3s are 48. Right. 16 is 2 to the power 4 into 3. And 72 is 24 3s, that is 8 9s, that is 2 cube into 3 square. 108 is 2 into 9, 12 into 9. So that is 27 into 4, right? 27 into 4. Right. So this is the prime factorization of these three numbers, right? Okay, Nihira, don't know issues. Okay. Very close than me, but yeah, still. Now, if I try to find the what will be the LCM? LCM will be the prime factors are 3 and 2. What is the highest power of 3? It is 3 cube. Highest power of 2, 2 to the power 4. You get 432 seconds, right? You get 432 seconds. Now, what is the, if I break it into, I am starting at 7 a.m., right? I have to convert this 432 seconds into minutes and seconds. So 432, if I divide by 60, if I divide, right, I get, yes, now right. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, the quotient I get is 7. Right? If you divide by this, quotient is 7,
Sir,
420,
my answer
12
got
is my
correct.
remainder, which means 7 minute 12 second. This
Sir,
is,
my answer got correct now.
yes, now correct. Yes, 7 minute 12 second, right? See, 7 into 60 is 420. Remainder is 12, right? So 7 minute 12 seconds. So that means if first time they are changing at 7 a.m., next they will change after 432 second. So 432 second is 7 minute 12 seconds. So that means 7, 7, 12. 7 o'clock, 7 minute 12 second. Right? That's how you write in clock, right? Got it? Got enough? Got it? Okay.
Sir, 403 is a prime number.
403 is not a prime number. So I will tell you, actually 403 is 13 into 31. Every number was actually, yeah. These three tankers are there. I have to find the maximum capacity. Directly, it was a question of HCF, right? 434 also, if you do, you will see 2 into 7 into 31. 465, if you do, you will find it, 465 is 3 into 5 into 31. That's how you can prime factorize it, right? This though you could have easily done, right? Only tough was
Sir,
403.
Sir, the answer would be 31 only because
Yes.
we have
So there are three
after
tankers of diesel. Find the maximum capacity of a container. There will be a container that can measure the diesel of 3 containers exact number of times. So I have to find the maximum capacity of the container means I have to find the HCF. So HCF, what is the factor that is common? Only one factor that is common, 31. So 31 liters answer. So that will be the answer, right? So I think today it will go a little longer, the class. Yeah, because I will do today logical reasoning. Yeah. Yeah, somebody is playing songs outside with some huge volume.
Sir, can you show me the before page? Practice question 3 once.
Don't worry, you will get the video. Don't worry about it.
Okay, sir.
Don't worry, don't worry.
each number which when divided, leave sir. Each case.
Sir, I was absent in the last class. What did you teach that day?
How to find HCF and LCM, Shupratim?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And today we are doing the applications of it. Yeah, Ayush, first one is right.
Sir, I do not find a video on the app.
Unfortunately, yeah, last class was because of technical thing, it could not be recorded. Okay. My laptop stopped in between. So the recording went away.
Sir, that's why I do not understand today's class.
Yeah, but today at least how we are finding the LCM HCF, you will be able to understanding, right?
So confusing the first
Yes,
one.
sir.
Yeah,
Sir, the
all the
first
three are
one
right, Kabir. All
is
three answers are perfect.
sir,
All
the
three are correct.
first one is too confusing.
Uh, no, Ayush, check your answer once. Second one. Yeah, Ashnik, right, first one. He's playing at huge volume songs. Yeah, Ayush, right. Yeah, right. No, first one is wrong.
Sir, I can't understand first one, sir.
Sir,
The-
by mistake he wrote.
Yeah, Ayush, third one is right. All right.
Sir, I don't. What should I do? Sir, what should I do? First one. Sir,
Second one is right.
sir,
No, first one is not right, Anurag. You have to apply some thought, right? Just finding. I'm not giving these questions to find HCF and LCM. There is some thought behind it, right?
sir, that thought only I can't understand.
Yeah. Yeah, Ashnik, second one, right?
plus 7. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 2, 20.
First two are right, Laksh. Last one is wrong.
And sir, second one?
Second one is right. First two are right. That's why I told first two are right. Third one is right, Sharanya. Dharmi, that is not the answer for first one, what you sent.
What is the answer? I just can't understand. Please. No.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, now right, Anurag. Yeah,
Sir, I can't understand the first one.
I will do the solution. Don't worry.
Me too.
I will do. Yeah, Ashnik, third one is also right. Oof, I'm playing. Logical reasoning will take more than 20 minutes, so that's why I'm taking here time. Yeah, now all right. Pearl, first one is not that answer. Third one is right. Yeah, Shubhrodin, second one is right. No, first one is not 120, no. Now let me explain you. Okay. For the first question, find the least number, which when divided by, if I ask you simply, I will stop the question here. The second one is right, Pearl. If I stop the question here, leave this part. If I stop the question here, what is the least number? Leave the question of here. If I stop the question till here, what is the least number which divides this? So that there is a least number which divides 12 also, which divides 16 also, which divides 24 also, which divides 36 also. Clearly that number is nothing but the LCM. So what is the LCM of 12, 16? It is 16, right? 12, 16,
Sir,
24,
I was
36.
doing that only, but I stopped that.
Yes, what is the LCM? 12 is nothing but 2 square, 4 into 3. 16 is 2 to the power 4. 24 is 2 cube into 3. And 36 is 9 into 4, right? This is. So the LCM will be what? What is the highest power of 2? 2 to the power 4. What is the highest power of 3? 3 square. If you do, it is coming 16 into 9, which is 144. So 144 is that smallest number which will divide 12, 16, 24, 36. But if I say that it has to, instead of dividing, if I say it has to leave a remainder of 7, that means you will be adding 7 to it, right? You have to add 7 to it, then only it can leave a remainder, right? You have to add 7 to it. For example, if I say 24 divides 4, right, I need a number that so that the remainder is 2. So we will obviously add 24 plus 2, 26 is that number, right? So it is saying a number that divides all of these, that least number is 144, but still leaves a remainder of 7 in each case. So it has to be 144 plus 7. Then only it can leave that remainder, right?
Yes, sir. So from that we can see that the answer would be 151.
Yes, answer will be 151. That was the logic. Because if it leaves the remainder, it is not dividing. That means 7 is added to it. Extra 7 is there. That's why it's a remainder is there, right? Right. When the remainder is 0, it divides. Right, that was the logic. And this one is very easy. If you take the LCM of 6, 8, 12, this is very easy. 6 LCM is 2 into 3. There is nothing to do in this. 8 is 2 cube. 12 is 2 square. 4 into 3. The LCM will be what? If I'm not doing anything wrong in fast, right? LCM is 2 cube into 3. That is 24. So the smallest number that is divisible by all of these is 24. So any multiple of 24 will be divisible. 24, 48, then 96, then 120, right? So it is being given smallest 3-digit number. So 120 is that number. Because 24 is divisible. Because LCM is 24. And all multiples of LCM will be divisible. So 48 will be. Then comes 96. Then comes 120. So 120, we reach the 3-digit number. Now, the third one is saying greatest 3-digit number divisible by 8, 10, 12. In this, you have to continuously find increase and stop where I am, stop where the number starts becoming 4-digit. Right? If I find the LCM of 8, 10, 12, right? The LCM of 8 is what? 2 cube, 10 is 2 into 5, right? And 12 is 2 square into 3. So the LCM will be what? The LCM highest power of 2 is 3, 2 cube. And 3 into 5. Highest power of 3 is 3. Highest power of 5 is 5. So what is it? 15 into 8 is 120. Right? Then all multiples of 120 will be divisible. So I have to just increase 120, then 240, right? Then 360, then 480. Like this, if I go, I will stop at 960 because the next multiple after 960 will be 1080, which will become 4-digit. So the highest number, 3-digit number that is exactly divisible by will be 960. Got it?
Sir, I understood.
For a change. For a change. Smiling after last class, right? Yeah. Okay. Understood, everyone?
10th class course.
Yeah.
So this is the 10th class thing that you are for the first question. Is that something from class 10th, syllabus or something?
No, it is 6.
Sir, my sister is in class 10th and she's just studying this.
No, my all 6th standard students does all these things. 10th standard, if you see my questions,
Sir, it is too hard, right?
10th standard in my class, I am able to do 3 questions, not like this 1, 2, 3 written in a single slide. Each slide we do one question.
This much big question, sir.
Yes. So in 10th, we are doing IIT-JEE actually preparations. Yeah. Engineering exams preparations.
Sir, I have been selecting for SR Frontier level 2 for 2 times, but has came back without not good marks.
Yeah, this topic is tough, no doubt about it. Yeah, Pahal, tell me. Tell me, Pahal, you are asking something. I don't know. She raised her hand, but I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let me now change the slide. We'll move to logical reasoning. Logical reasoning, you all will be able to do. I know you all are good at it. Okay.
It would be easy, right?
Yeah. Just wait. Let me stop screen sharing and change the slide. Just give me 1 minute. So 20, 25 minutes we'll be doing that. Just a minute. First of all, I have to save this file and then move to the next file. So I'll be moving very fast in the theory because I know you all know it, majority of the things.
In
But I'm-
topic test, when I attended, I have attended 11 topic test out of 13. So, sir, I have so many doubts in that. That in a topic test, it was that X, Y, X, B, X Roman numbers, that one question.
Okay, so see the videos, Roman numbers and all. Once you see the videos now,
Sir, I saw the video one many times, but it was totally different question. I was not able
okay,
to
ask
understand.
me sometimes. I'm having a long weekend, so ask me, I'll clear it. Okay, don't worry. Ask me and ping me on WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Pahal, you were asking something. I think you raised your hand or something, but I could not hear you.
Yes, sir. Actually, I have a doubt.
Okay, because I think your thing got stuck. Screen got stuck. Okay. Ask me separately. Reach out. Yeah, reach out to me separately. Okay. Reach out to me separately because now I have changed the slide. Okay. Since I've changed the slide. Okay. So I will do it. I will go very fast in this. Okay. So directions on a map. You all know what is northwest, east, south. So this is the in the map. This is the north. So Jammu and Kashmir and all these places are north. And Tamil Nadu, Kerala, these places are south. Right. So I think Kabir is somewhere in the north. Not exactly in the north, but somewhere in the north. Yeah. In the central, I think you are in somewhere. Okay. East is where I think Ayush is actually, the Kolkata, another place in India.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. West is the Rajasthan, Mumbai. Yeah. West. Yeah. You are in the center, Kabir. Yes. Center. So almost in the center. So if you go move towards, you can move towards north actually. Okay. Ashnik is also, yeah. Is towards east. Yeah. Ashnik, tell me.
Sir, I'm also in East, West
Yes,
Bengal.
yes, I know. You are also in East Kolkata. Okay. So this is
Gujarat-
what directions in the map. Yeah.
Gujarat comes in west side, no?
Yeah, Gujarat is west. Gujarat is west. Gujarat west, Rajasthan west. These are in west of India, right? Now, there obviously everybody know what is clockwise and anti-clockwise directions, right? The clock
Yes.
moves like this, so that's why we call it clockwise direction. If we move against the clock, we call it anti-clockwise direction. Every movement, when a clock moves a total entire full revolution, the degree completed is 360 degree, right? Be it moving clockwise or be it moving anti-clockwise, right? These are called 1/4 movements. If it moves the clock from here to here, right, it covers 190 degree. These are called 1/4. 1/4, and then you can move from 1 to here. I will say 2/4 or 1 semicircle, right? Yeah, Earth's revolution also 360 degree. Yes. So 2/4 are semicircle, right? And if it moves from here to suppose here, we'll say 3/4 movement, 3/4 of movement. That's how we call in English, right? So if you see this, if I this movement from here to here, from 0 it is moving 90 degree. Okay. If I bisect this, this will be 45, this will be 45, right? This is how the movements happen, right? This is clockwise, this is anti-clockwise, right? But the most important thing is understanding. Let me see, yeah, two things, right? This we call north, this we call east. You know what is, right? If I bisect the angle, this will be 45, this will be 45. This direction between north and east is called northeast. Between south and east is called southeast. Between south and west is called southwest. And between north and west is called northwest. Okay, that's how it is defined, right? And all bisect 45 degrees. Yeah. Anybody asking, telling something? Yeah. I don't know. Somebody typing. Yeah, Ashnik, are you telling something? Okay, no. I think.
No, sir.
Okay, cool. I thought somebody is asking something. Okay. So this is how it is defined, right? Now you all know this: northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. But the beauty is that you need to remember one thing here. Whenever it is told, when I am facing north, my right and left are very easy. I know this side is my right, this side is my left, below is my south, top is my north. Sun rises in the east, sun sets in the west. But the moment I am facing east,
Sir, 45, sir, 360 is a multiple of 45.
yeah,
Sir, 360 is a multiple of 45.
yes, it's a 45. But what I want to say, yeah, Dharmi, you are asking something?
Sir, first you can explain. Afterwards, I can ask.
Okay, cool. So what I'm saying, the most important thing is when I am facing north, like I'm teaching, I'm facing north. I know my top will be north and this side will be, if I extend my hand right, this side will be left. I know it, right? The moment I face east, think about it, east, your south will actually become right and north will actually become left. And your this side will become your north and backside will become your south. So where are you, which direction are you facing depends on that will be your right left. Think you are initially here, now you have turned and now you are here. So where you will be, your right hand be, your right hand will be facing the south. Same thing, further I turned clockwise, right? Now I am facing south, my right hand will be actually facing west and my left hand will be facing east, right? And now I have turned further, right? Think of it. You have to imagine this. This cannot be much explained, right? Now I am facing west, right? Just turn yourself on the chair that you are sitting. If you turn yourself in the chair only, you will understand where are you facing. Your right hand is where, your left hand is where. Just turn yourself in the chair, you will understand, right? If you are facing west, your right hand will be on that side and left hand will be on towards south. Just turn yourself on the chair, you will be getting to understanding to where are you facing actually.
Sir,
This
when we move from north, if we move to right, and from east we move to left. So the point at which a person is standing after moving right and from after moving left to east is called
east means you
northeast,
are
right?
facing the east. Remember, move. You have turned. You have turned, right? You are turning and facing now the east. Most important, you are facing. Facing and turning is the most important word, right? You have turned 90-degree. You are initially facing north. Now turn 90-degree and facing east. Just turn yourself on chair. You will see your directions will change of right hand and left hand, right? Obviously, it has to. Right where you are sitting. Just turn yourself. Just turn yourself where you're sitting. Just turn 90-degree. You will understand where are you facing. Your right and left hand will change, right? Directions. You just stand while you are sitting, you see what is your right and left. You turn 90-degree and see where is your right and left. It will change. Yes, it will change, right? So it depends where you're facing. If you are turning 90-degree clockwise, you are facing actually east because that's how you're facing east, right? Do this
Sir.
experiment. Yeah.
I turned 90 degrees clockwise from my current position on, and my left and right hand position really changed.
So if you're turning 90-degree and facing now east, your actually right is facing your south direction. That was previously in south. Previously in south. That's how it will face. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Just play around with the chair, you will understand this north-south, right? Just sit on a chair and move, you will understand. Okay, let's do a couple of easy questions before next class. We'll be moving on to the tough questions here.
These are the logical reasonings.
Yes, logical reasoning. These are easier ones. Today we'll do the easy ones. Let me have water and come. Uh, no, no, Kabir.
Sir, mine is right.
Acha. Direction is right, but I want to understand how far is it from the starting point vertically and horizontally. Just make that graph vertically and horizontally. Understand?
Sir, I don't understand. Vertical.
Vertically and horizontally. Direction is right. Direction, Kabir. Yours is right. Direction is right. I want the vertical and horizontal distance.
Sir, my answer is correct.
Yeah, and second one, check yourself. Second one, Kabir, is wrong. First one, Kabir, direction is right. And second one, Sharanya, wrong. The first one, Dharmi, direction is right. Obviously, he will be in that direction, but I want to know vertical and horizontal shifts. Yeah, now right. Second one, Kabir say yeah, second one.
Sir, please check my first one. Direction.
No, wrong. Direction wrong. No, Ayush, not right. Direction is right, Supratim. Oh, 17 you all are getting with. No, you all are adding the directions. I understood what you all are doing. You don't have to add. Now, yes, right. Kabir, right. Answer is right. That's what I was
Sir,
asking.
will this help? Sir, will this help?
Horizontal, you have to break that horizontal and vertical. That's what I was referring to. Yeah.
Sir, will this help? This little that tells not.
I don't know. This is also
I
very.
found it in my stationery drawer. I was looking for it. For a
Okay.
long time.
Sir, is my answer correct? Matlab, first one.
No, Dharmi, not correct.
I'm thinking shape.
First one, direction, right, Laksh. What I want is breakup of the direction. Where is he? How far is he horizontally and vertically?
Cheaper. This is the. Second.
Sir, now it's correct.
Yeah, let me see what are the other answers have come. Not 2 kilometer. Yeah, Anurag, it is correct. Vertically and horizontally correct. Ayush, second one is correct. Sharanya, direction is correct. I just wanted the vertical and horizontal movement also.
The first one is correct. I have again sent it.
You sent or which one you sent?
Sir,
Second.
the first one, the facing north distance 3 kilometer at 6:31.
You sent facing north distance 3 kilometer west horizontal. Yeah, horizontal is correct. Vertical distance is required here. And facing will be not north. Facing will be not north. Yeah, Supratim. Vertical and horizontal distances are correct.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me. I'm hearing.
Sir, why is this? For what is this thing used?
I don't know. I think this is some magnetic or something. I also don't know. I have never used
No,
it.
it's not a magnet. I just got to write something. When I was up from my chair, my sister told that once that it was used to measure the north, the south.
I also heard my dad used to say My dad also explained north, south, east, west with using an egg in front of a TV. Like earth revolves like this, I still remember. The egg, you cannot see beyond it.
Sir, I have typed the answer. Is it correct or horizontal?
Yeah, no issues. Southeast, yeah. Now I will discuss the answers. Okay. See what
Sir, I
is,
have
Sir-
sent you.
yeah, second one is right. Okay. Yeah, egg in front. If you keep the egg, okay, so like my father told that if egg is kind of a revolving, if it is revolving, if there is a light doesn't come from the sun, you cannot see the back. So hemispheres, my father explained like this when I was a kid. Yeah. So like a television is there, you form a shadow, right? Right. If you hold that egg, right? Egg is like a kind of a planet. Okay. And the other part is northern hemisphere, one part is southern. So 6 months when the earth rotates, one part is facing north, one part is. So my father explained with egg actually during my time. Okay. So Daniel walks. Let me see. I will just I will convert the English.
Sir, I think my shadow is
Yeah. Wait. Daniel walks 7 kilometers in south direction. Let Daniel was initially here. He is walking 7 kilometers in south. Okay, done. 7 kilometers south. Till here my English is done. Okay.
Then it turns to right. So
Yeah.
he should be.
Sir, can I leave because I have to
Sure,
go
sure. Sure, Lakshmi. Yeah. Okay. He travels 7 kilometers south and then he turns towards the north. See, if he has turned south, now he has turned south, right? Where will be,
Sir,
and then turns towards the right.
he-
Where will be his right direction? The right direction will be in this. This will be because now he is facing south, right? If you see, where will be his right? He has to go 3 kilometers this side. This will be his right hand. This will be his left hand. Right, because now when he is facing south, this will be his right hand. This where he will be right hand. This will be his right hand. So he will move 3 kilometers here. Right. Now suppose I am turning myself, right? You have to turn yourself and think, right? If you turn now he will take left, I think so, right? And he left and walks 7 kilometers. Left is this side. Left he takes and walks 7 kilometers. So finally he reaches here. So that means finally again he is direction facing is south. The second part of the question is vertically and horizontally, how much did he move? From here till here, vertically he moved, which is 7 plus 7. This height is also 7, right? 7 plus 7, 14 he moved vertically. And horizontally he moved how much? 3. Horizontally he moved 3, right?
Sir, I
Vertically.
was very close to it. No,
Yeah.
very close to the answer.
Yes, so that's what it means. Arnab, did you get it? Got it? Doing this type of question, best way is now you turn your copy. Okay. I used to do like this, but still now, because these questions come in even in standard 12 after engineering also when we give MBA exam. Best we turn the copy. Turn the copy, you will be able to find what is right here. That's the best way. Easiest way to do it. Okay.
Sir, I also used to do it in my first, second standard. Like
Yeah, turning the copy is the best way. Right. And Nick is facing in the east direction. Obviously, he is facing in this direction. 315 is nothing but 270 plus 45 is 315. And 270 is nothing 3 into 90 plus 45. So this is 315. And anti-clockwise, right? So anti-clockwise 190, 290, 390. So finally more 45. So more 45 means this direction. So this is south and this is east. So southeast. This is very
Sir, anti-clockwise it is telling, no.
anti-clockwise is this way. Clock moves like this. So anti-clockwise is this way. So 90, then 90, 180,
I forgot, sir.
then 90, 270, and finally 45. So 315-degree totally covered, facing southeast. So this direction.
Okay.
So this is south, this is east, southeast. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, last one set
Yes,
of question is there. Okay, because I don't
Mm.
want to lag behind in my curriculum. Yeah. Where did you go? Yeah. Logical should be at least one to do. Just turn your copy, you will be able to do it. First draw, then turn. This is how. Somebody turns their head also and do it. I have seen them. Yeah. No, first one is not right.
Sir, its first one is very easy, but it answer by moving head is it is.
Yeah. कभी पहला वाला सही है, सेकंड वाला देखो एक बार. Yeah, first one is right. Ayush, Supratim. Yeah, now right. Yeah, second one is also right. Yeah, first one is right, Sharni. Yeah, Ashnik right, Dharmi right. This one.
Sir,
Yeah, second one is also right. Yeah, first one is right, Arnav. You read in notification itself.
so second one I can't understand. So which direction are we going in?
Yeah, second one is also right, Sharanya, Ashnik. Now right. Yeah. Ayush is very nicely rotating and checking the distances. Yeah, right, Supratim, second one. The best way is that just rotate and check. That's the best way. No, second one is not northeast. No. Yeah, first one is right, Pahal.
Sir, is my second one correct?
No, not correct, Dharmi. Yeah, no, right. I just checked notification. Yeah. So these are pretty easy, right? Right. So what it is saying? Yeah, Anurag, right. Second one. Yeah, the first one is saying second one is not north. No, Dharmi, not right. Sneha run 30 kilometer east. Okay. 30 kilometer east. When he faces east, after that he turned left. Right. When I will turn like this, my left will be towards north. Do you always see this graph? See, showed you also, right? In this graph, when he has turned east, what is my left? Left is towards north. That's why I told you, understand this figure very well, right? So left was towards north. That was the reason I showed you, though you can turn yourself and check it out, right? Then he turned left and ran 15 meter, right? 15 meters towards this. Now again he is facing, he has come to the normal direction, right? Now he turned towards the right. So if he turns towards the right and ran 20, means he will turn this side and run 20, and then again turn to the left. Again he is facing east. Again he will turning to the left, means again he will be going towards the north, and some, I don't know how many, turn to the left is given. So how many kilometers not given. So finally he is facing north, right? And the second one, what it says, you go north. Okay, let me go north. I am going north, some distance, I don't know. You go north, then turn right. Obviously, right means I have to turn this side, right side. Then right again. When I was, this time I'm facing east. In the previous question, I was facing east, left was towards north. So my north, I have to go right. Route right will be towards south, right? What is saying? You go north, then right again. Now I am facing south. Which will be my left? Which my left will be towards this. So I will be facing east. I'll be facing east. Because initially was north. From here, right is very normal, right? Now I'm facing east. Last question, when I was facing east. Yes, it is east, right? So got it? Okay. One more class will be left, and we'll be doing at least 12, 13 questions on more on HCF LCM. More tougher good questions on HCF. Yes. Yeah. And okay, so that will be the last class on HCF LCM. So yeah, but give the topic test. There will be brilliant questions there. Okay, and I'll be publishing it. Okay, chalo.
Sir, can you you will solve our doubts in topic test or subjective?
Just ask me that doubts on WhatsApp now, the way you asked me, right?
Yes.
Just ask me in WhatsApp.
Sir,
Right?
the correct answer was 4, but it was showing wrong that it is.
Yeah, never use commas, slash, all those never use. Okay, never use. Okay, okay. Chalo. Bye everyone. Okay. Bye bye. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.